landed in that round. Sandy Ryan, I said, is coming downhill, but she's finding opposition in Mikaela Mayer as she gets clean with the 1-2.
You see Ryan stepping to her right now. She's getting ahead of Mikaela instead of chasing and following.
That's the fight to figure it out, too.
Fucking girls can fight.
Cole gets put by a left hook once again from Sandy Ryan.
The big punches on the inside for Ryan. She's throwing the shots up. She's starting to get in the groove now. Starting to get in the rhythm.
Nice stiff jab. Remember, remind her, hey, you want to come in? You got to pay the price.
Oh, nice left. Stick that. She's gonna steal. Oh, there you go.
But again, Ryan is staying close enough to be able to extend with that right hand.
It's fucking sick. If she snaps that left a little more, leans into it. Here you go. Keep going forward. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Yeah, shoulder bump. Here you go. Oof. Push off. Shoulder bump. Shoulder bump.